What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Matthew here, back with another one. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the unboxing for the iPhone 11 Pro. And you know me, I had to go out and get my iPhone 11 on iPhone Day, and well, let's just get started. So, as you know, the iPhone 11 Pro came out recently, and I'm still on the iPhone X because I personally thought it was pointless to upgrade to the iPhone X or XR. So, I got this one, and I got it in midnight green because, you know, that's the new color. And, you know, it looks different, it looks cool, but what I noticed that kind of tripped me out about it, sorry, living in the airport. But, as I was saying, what I personally liked about this was that it was like a midnight green, and it's like a different color, it's kind of like camo. But what's really trippy about it is when you see it on camera, it looks like green. So like it's very hard to get like the aspects of the green on video, but you know, I'll try and do my best, you guys. Alright, so now you can see it a lot better. Now I got better lighting. You can see that it's a clean midnight green. It's very subtle, which is what I like. It's not too like popping like the iPhone 11, like the regular one. And, like, see there, you can see it a lot better. You can see the Apple logo there, the 3 cameras. I personally just like the attention to all the detail. Alright guys, so let's just continue with this. So as you can see, from the front it looks the same as the iPhone X and the XR. The sides, it looks a little thicker to me, honestly. Not too much thicker. Apple claims it's not like, you know, too much thicker, but it just looks a little thicker to me. And quick note, if any of you decide to get the 11 Pro, it is heavier and you can like feel the difference in the weight. But I like it, it looks nice. And let me just get into little details about who the iPhone 11 Pro is for. So personally, in my opinion, I believe if you're like a regular user who doesn't really care about like all the little pro details of the iPhone 11 and like the 3 cameras, or like basically what makes this pro is the 3 cameras and like the battery life. But I think for the average person, getting the iPhone 11 will be more than like fine, because it's a lot pricier and it's exactly the same. The only main difference is that this has a 3rd camera, because the new iOS basically gives you all the features you want and need. And you know, the battery life is a little like less, but nobody really notices. Either way, we all carry around our chargers. So I believe for most users, you should get a regular iPhone 11. Also guys, a quick little side note, the new iPhone 11 Pro that I have here, they basically switched from using the Lightning to USB-C. So now this is what the new bricks look like, and they have a USB-C port. Although the iPhone 11 still uses the same Lightning port, now it charges with USB-C. And the only thing that basically means is now Apple, instead of charging with a regular, I believe it was 5-watt charger, which is like what we all have, the little cubicle cube, we use basically this brick that converts Lightning to USB-C, and instead of getting about 5 watts, I think it was, now we upgraded to about 15 watts, which is pretty good. But like if you compare it to like other phones, like the Samsung phones or the Google Pixel phones, or like any regular fast charger, it charges 30 watts. And like, you know, the only thing that means is us iPhone users, we're gonna have faster charging times. And you know, this charger is technically a fast charger, even though it's not the best fast charger. But you know, as an iPhone user, we're all gonna appreciate it either way, so it's pretty cool. Alright guys, that about wraps it for this one. And real quick side note, if any of you are wondering what case I'm gonna be rocking for the iPhone 11 Pro, I personally always trust Spigen cases. This is the tempered glass that I'm gonna put on top. I always trust all the Spigen cases because one, they're cheap, and they're basically the same thing as the old OtterBox. So as you can see here, I got the clear one, and I'm gonna basically put that on my iPhone 11 Pro. If any of you guys want to check out Spigen's page, they have really good stuff. It's really cheap. It's basically the same quality as OtterBox in my opinion. It's better than OtterBox. It's a little thinner, it's a little lightweight. They have a lot of variety though. But yeah, they have really good tempered glass too, which is what I've been using for the past 2 years on my iPhones, and I've never had my iPhone crack or break. And the case I have on it now, I literally throw my iPhone everywhere, and it's very trustworthy. But that about wraps it up for this one, guys. Let me know if you want to see any future videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. It's your boy Matthew out.